Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we're going to do our collabs, the Letters to Santa collab, and we're going to do just a couple of challenges here in my monthly binder. We're going to go ahead and do these really quick. We only have a few more challenges left in here, so we're going to just try to knock them out. So for today, we are going to do our monthly savings from Allie Bear Budgets, and we are going to just go ahead and do this 5 because we are a little bit ahead. So we're gonna just add this $5 in, and then once we are finished with that one, we will see how much it has saved us. We've been doing it kind of like the low budget way, where we just add the 2-digit numbers together, and we're gonna do our roll and save for Miss Anna Banana Budgets and her Tamagotchi. That is $3. Let's see, what do we have? We don't have 3. Let's see. Do we have? We do have 2. So I'm gonna put. Okay. Give me that 5. Give it to me. I wasn't sure how much I needed altogether, so I just have just a couple dollars here on the side. So altogether, this one has saved us $20, $40, $50, $55, $56, and $57. Awesome. And let's see, are we gonna do anything in this one? Let's see. All right, let's go ahead and put the 2, let's just put, oh my God, I can't talk. I'm sorry, guys. We're just gonna put $2 in here. And this one is from Budget with Carly, and it is a save 100 plus. So we are almost done with that one. This is just kind of like a little, when we can get to it, we'll get to it. All right, and this one, I know, I still don't have those dashboards printed out. I suck, I knew, I'm sorry. Okay, so we ended here. This is the Letters to Santa collab. We have $50 in prop 1s and 2s. We're gonna go ahead, just like our Monday minis, and roll and just give each envelope that amount of bills. And did I shuffle? No, I did not. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. All right. So I apologize for that. I did not think that one through very well. Right. So we're just a batch filming away. We should be about, this is the last video I'm gonna do tonight. So it should get us through what I need it to get us through. And that way I can get to bed, because I have lots of things to do tomorrow. Lots of things that I didn't get done today, for sure. So I'm kind of stressing out, of course. Because I am leaving for my mom's house tomorrow. And I haven't even packed it, and it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. So, you know, it's been a rough day today. And today is, when I'm filming this, Monday. But when you're seeing this, this will be Friday or Saturday, depending on, I think I'm a day behind, so this will go out on Saturday. But yeah, it's gonna be rough. Not gonna leave as early as I wanted to, but it is what it is. I just need to get this done and get some sleep. And we have 1 left, so that's gonna go here. And where is our paperclip? We're gonna move our paperclip to here. And if we finish any of these, we're not going to swap it out for cash just yet, because I have depleted all of my reserve funds at the moment. Till we do our end of the month and get some money to the bank. All right, so this challenge here is from Let's see, it is from Tourist Cash Corner, and we have a $2 stamps, but I do believe we are working on this one, and this one is for $1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. So we're going to go ahead. I know, I'm like, this is my, so you guys can see it. This is my, oh, sorry, I bumped the camera. This is my prop money. So we're gonna just swap that out on camera while we're doing this, because why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we should have $6, and we sure do. So we did finish quite a few of these last week, and a lot of them are going to my month ahead, because that is going to be my main focus right now. And this challenge is from Budget with Amanda, and today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5. So we do have a 5. Okay, so yep, we're gonna go ahead and mark off that 5. Oops. We're gonna swap it out. And so far, let's see. We have saved 20, 30, and 35. Awesome. And this one saves 50. That big one saves 50. And our next set of challenges is from Weekly Budgets Co. And we have saved today. Oh, we got some 2. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Let's go ahead and swap that out for a 5. And let's see. Let's go ahead and work on this one, because 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just because I want to be able to work on this Plinko one by itself, and I am very tired. I want to go to bed. So that's really just the reason why, and not any other reason. This is probably going to be a pretty short video, because this is all I have planned for this video right now is our Letters to Santa collab, just because I know I'm going to have a couple more collabs that I'm going to want to do. All right, so this one is from Doodle Dollars, and we have saved $4. Let's go ahead and do this bigger one, and we're going to cross off the 2s. 2 2s for 4. And I think this one is going to go to close. Yeah, we have to definitely get that sinking fund bulked up, because if you have kids, you know, they grow like freaking weeds. And this one is from Agape Book Club, and we have 1, 2, 3, and $4. Ooh, okay, so we are going to finish this one. But we cannot change it to real cash just yet until after I get back from my trip. So together, these 2 cards have saved us 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and $33. Heck yes, that's awesome. Let's see, this one is going to go to household. So yeah, we're definitely going to have to swap that out for cash, or real cash. But we will have to do that later. But we're still going to count it as a completed savings challenge. Woo-hoo. And then we have our roll and save, roll and race next, that we will start on next week for this one. And this is the second set of challenges for Weekly Budgets Co. And this one got 1, 2, oh, okay, we got a 5 in there. I didn't realize that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and $9. Okay, so I made each one of these $1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I think that is supposed to be meant to be an IOU, but we're just gonna use it as a little mini tiny whatever. All right, and this next challenge is from Toria's Budgets, and it saved us, oh my goodness, it got all the 2s. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and $9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. We just need $3 to finish up that one. So we'll go ahead and swap that out for 5. So we can try to keep it a little, hold on a minute. So altogether we have 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so that's not, okay. I can't right now. I'm so like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Let's do this. I can math a little bit in my head. All right, $13. There we go. There we go. Okay, and this one is from the Secret Budgeter, and we are doing this one. So we just need to roll a D6. Or I guess we'll just do a D3. So we got odd, and odd is naughty. So naughty is $2. Okay, so we have saved in this one. Okay, so I need a minus $3 from here. Well, that's not. Okay. Pause. I need to okay, so I had to just break up that 20 a little bit because I needed $3 for this challenge here because we started this one, but then moved over to this one. So this one should have saved 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, and $39. Awesome. And I will double check those numbers off camera, but this one is going to go to our household. So awesome. And then we also have $1, $2, $3, and $4 left over. We're going to go ahead and do this one. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go with $2 each. So we can do 1 and a 2. Awesome. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's just swap out. Sorry if I bumped the camera. I do apologize. I am trying to rush a little bit, so I am being a little sloppy. Okay, and I think this is, yes, this is our last challenge, and this one is from Dine Outlaw Games and Budgets, and I'm kind of cheating, not really doing this like a game, like you would do normally with the dice and stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5 going in this one today. So I'm pretty much just taking what I get and marking off the 2, or you know, whatever it totals. So far we have saved 20, 30, and $35. Excuse me. Only because of the way that I'm doing it, and I just, if I can avoid some IOUs, I will avoid some IOUs. So, you know, that's awesome. Okay. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys. Oh, let's put these away. We finished 2 challenges. Woo woo! Yes! We're gonna put them in our completed savings challenge bag, which is getting mighty hefty. She's getting full. So that's always exciting. I can't wait to see how we are at the end of the month. And our end of month closeout. And as always, I appreciate you guys for watching and stopping by. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!